Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use vitamin C and retinol together. To start, apply your vitamin C serum each morning. This helps protect your skin from environmental stressors throughout the day. Then, reserve your retinol application for your evening routine. This simple separation is key to maximizing benefits and minimizing any potential skin sensitivity. The main reason for separating these powerful ingredients is their optimal pH levels. Vitamin C, especially L-ascorbic acid, thrives in a more acidic environment to penetrate effectively. Retinol, on the other hand, works best at a higher, more neutral pH. Using them at different times ensures each product can perform at its peak without interfering with the other. For your morning routine, begin by cleansing your face gently. After patting your skin dry, apply a few drops of your vitamin C serum evenly across your face and neck. Allow it to absorb fully for about 1 minute. Always follow with a good moisturizer and, crucially, a broad-spectrum sunscreen with an SPF of 30 or more to protect your skin. In the evening, after cleansing your face, ensure your skin is completely dry before applying retinol. Take a pea-sized amount of your retinol product and gently smooth it over your face, avoiding the eye area. If you're new to retinol, start using it 2 to 3 times a week. Always finish with a rich, hydrating moisturizer to support your skin barrier.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.